Hello, health enthusiasts. Are you ready to revolutionize your mornings and embark on a journey to a healthier you after 40? The secret to unlocking a world of wellness might just be hiding in your kitchen. Join us as we dive into the surprising and delicious benefits of sweet potatoes, your newfound morning superheroes. Unveiling the morning powerhouse. Sweet potatoes are not just a fall delight. They are an incredible addition to your morning routine, loaded with benefits that extend far beyond their scrumptious taste. Let's shatter the myths and uncover why sweet potatoes are your go-to for a vibrant and healthy start each day. Catherine Gervasio. To guide us through this flavorful journey, we've consulted with registered nutritionist, dietitian, and certified nutrition coach, Catherine Gervasio. She reveals how sweet potatoes can be a game changer for weight management, blood sugar control, immunity, and heart health. Let's hear it from the expert. High fiber for weight management. Are you on a quest to shed some pounds this fall? Look no further. Sweet potatoes packed with high fiber content are your allies. Catherine explains how this dietary fiber promotes a sense of fullness, assisting you on your weight loss journey. Discover the joy of a breakfast that's not only delicious, but also supports your wellness goals. Antioxidant boost for resilient immunity. As the cold and flu season approaches, bolster your immune system with the antioxidant power of sweet potatoes. Catherine highlights the rich presence of beta-carotene, a superhero compound that shields your cells from harm. Let's explore how sweet potatoes become your armor against illnesses. Lower glycemic index for blood sugar harmony. Blood sugar control is paramount for overall health, and sweet potatoes play a crucial role. Catherine educates us on their lower glycemic index, making them a smart choice for maintaining stable glucose levels. Learn the art of moderation and discover why sweet potatoes are the breakfast choice for a healthier heart. Segment 5. Potassium packed for cardiovascular wellness. As we age, prioritizing heart health becomes essential. Catherine reveals how sweet potatoes, rich in potassium, contribute to regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. It's time to embrace a breakfast that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also nurtures your heart. Breakfast beyond boundaries. Now that we've uncovered the incredible benefits, let's get creative in the kitchen. Catherine shares inspiring ways to incorporate sweet potatoes into your breakfast routine. From sweet potato toast to savory breakfast burritos, there's a world of possibilities waiting for you. Get ready to transform your mornings. Are you excited to kickstart your mornings with a burst of wellness? Sweet potatoes are not just a vegetable, they are your morning magic. If you're ready to embrace a healthier you after 40, like, share, and subscribe to join our community of health enthusiasts. Let the sweet potato revolution begin.
See you in the next video.